everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today I feel like sharing with you all the wonderful words of Aristotle. He said, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act but a habit." How beautiful words. So I have made my mind to keep these wonderful words as today's topic. So today my theme is perfect practice makes a man perfect. Now we often hear, practice makes a man perfect. This statement is totally incorrect. Practice doesn't make a man perfect. Practice only makes permanent whatever we practice. Only perfect practice makes a man perfect. If we keep practicing our mistakes, we'll become perfect in making mistakes. Let me explain you with an example. When our pre-primary kids start learning alphabets, they like to develop their speed of writing, but the teacher teaches them to learn the correct form first and speed later, because if their form is incorrect and if that's what they have practiced, then that's what will become permanent and they will be incorrect forever. So the teacher ensures that the wrong form doesn't become permanent, as practice only makes permanent whatever we practice. So as we grow up, if we think to do the right thing, we can never do it. It must come automatically. And that's the reason why our handwriting remains the same as it was in our school days for our entire life. Because it's very difficult or nearly impossible to change our habits, which has become permanent. So it is truly said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Now, we often get people saying, this is a little lie. Nothing will happen. When the big one comes, I'll tell the truth. Even small children tell lies to their parents, teachers. But if they practice enough little lies in their lives, when the big one comes, what happens? They end up telling a big lie, because what they have practiced and that has become permanent. And it is quite similar in other situations too. A person who can't show courage in little things, he or she won't be able to show courage in big things, because cowardice became habitual or permanent. Why do we brush twice daily? Without even thinking, it just comes automatically. Because from our very formative years, we start brushing our teeth twice daily, and it has become our habit, which has become permanent. A person who goes for a morning walk regularly doesn't feel sleepy or lazy while getting up early in the morning, because waking up early has become his habit, which has become permanent. If a child tells a lie once, trust me, the first one is difficult. The second one becomes easy, and the third one becomes easier, and so on, until it becomes a habit. Have you ever observed a person who is honest most of the time gets caught, but the first time he tells a lie, whereas a person who is dishonest most of the time gets caught the first time he tells the truth? So it's our choice as to which we practice. Whatever response we choose, our thinking pattern becomes habitual. We form habits, and habits form our character. Before we got to realize that we have got the habit has got us. So try to form positive and good habits. And do remember, practice only makes permanent whatever we practice. Only perfect practice makes a man perfect. So that's all for today. Hope this session is going to be very fruitful to all of you. So to watch such motivational and inspirational videos, kindly subscribe my channel, Be Inspired by Nizara. And after subscribing, click on the bell icon for further notifications of my videos. So I'll be coming back soon. Till then, have a great time all of you. God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching.